Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the settings here and search for additional settings here, and there gonna be option language and region. Here you can choose your language, so you can add a language which you want. For the example, let's try with Dutch, and drag and drop to go on firstly, change to German, and as you see, Sprache and Region. Sprache, Deutsch. Now we're gonna change right now for English. The phone is resetting as I see. It has a little lag or something crash. I don't know. Okay, we have an English. Of course, you can choose the region to change the hours automatically 2 times in a year, and that's it. Anyway, now you know how to change the language on your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!